Hi, good morning, everyone. Leonor Gomez here with a little video. Well, it's not going to be that long because I have things to do. First of all, like I said, good morning. I hope everybody had their coffee, their whatever they eat in the morning. Even if it's a muffin, some whatever. Please, if you're watching the live, please say where you're tuning in from so I can know who I'm talking to and where they're from. I'm in New Jersey, so yeah. I love my hair. I look so cute. Anyway, in a serious note, if you catch the replay, please hashtag replay so I can know that you watched it later on, and that so that way I can answer you and all that good stuff. So this video is to invite everyone to a webinar we're having tonight so you can know how my team generated $80,000. Yeah, you heard me. $80,000. That is amazing. So if you want to know more of how we are killing it, come tune in to the webinar tonight. The link is in my storyline, but I'm also going to put it on my message section so everyone can have it. Hi, sweetheart. I don't know how to say your name. I don't want to butcher it. Shakira. Hi, sweetie. Thanks for tuning in. So come on over. You're going to hear testimonials. You're going to hear what the program is about. And let me tell you, you are going to be so amazed with this program that you're going to be running out trying to sign up like, let's go. Like, where do I start? Like, where do I sign up? What do I need to do? So come on, register, come to the webinar, listen to everything people are going to be saying about the webinar. Hopefully tonight I'll give my testimonial. Who knows? Because sometimes I'll be like, I need to give my testimonial. And they're like, no, that's okay. I get freaked out. But yeah. So anyway, sorry, I'm all over here because I had my coffee, so I'm all electric. So my apologies. If I have too much energy, my apologies. But come on, come join us. Come see what everybody is doing. This program is amazing. We have newbies, we have seasoned people, we have everything in the mix making money. So don't procrastinate and come on, register for the webinar so you can get more information. Like I said in the beginning, if you're live, please say where you're tuning in from. If you're watching the replay, because this little button right here is not there anymore, just hashtag replay so I can say hello and thank you for tuning in and passing by. So again, my name is Leonor Gomez, and I hope you all have a blessed, awesome day. Bye.